offering a balance of fuel economy in normal driving conditions while delivering impressive performance when the driver demands it. 5. Advanced technology and features. BMW's i8 was loaded with advanced technologies, both in terms of driving aids and infotainment systems, to ensure that it stayed at the forefront of automotive innovation. Adaptive LED headlights. The i8 featured advanced LED headlights with adaptive capabilities, ensuring optimal illumination in various driving conditions. BMW iDrive system. The i8 was equipped with BMW's iDrive system, which allowed users to control the infotainment system, navigation, and other car functions through a central control knob. This system was integrated with a high-resolution display. Driver assistance features. Some driver assist technologies available included parking sensors, a rear-view camera, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and collision warning systems. Connected Drive. BMW's Connected Drive system allowed the car to integrate with smartphones and other devices, enabling the driver to stay connected on the go. Additionally, features like real-time traffic updates and remote vehicle monitoring through the BMW app were available. Energy regeneration and efficiency. The i8 was equipped with an energy regeneration system, which converted braking energy into electricity to recharge the battery. This helped increase overall efficiency. 6. Market reception and impact. The BMW i8 received positive reviews for its striking design, advanced technology, and eco-friendly credentials. It became an instant symbol of the potential for sustainable luxury sports cars and garnered attention from both automotive enthusiasts and environmental advocates. However, the i8 wasn't without its challenges. With a starting price of around $140,000, and it was positioned as a luxury vehicle with a hybrid powertrain, which some found to be a bit of a contradiction. Despite being a hybrid, its performance and price tag placed it in direct competition with high-end sports cars like the Porsche 911 and Audi R8, which made it a hard sell for some customers. Still, the i8 managed to carve out a niche for itself as a high-performance hybrid that was as much about the future of driving as it was about luxury and technology. Its design and hybrid technology influence future vehicles across the automotive industry. 7. Sustainability and environmental impact. The BMW i8 was developed with sustainability in mind, incorporating various eco-friendly materials and technologies. BMW used renewable materials in the car's construction, such as natural fibers in the interior and plant-based plastics. Additionally, the i8's hybrid powertrain helped reduce fuel consumption and carbon emissions compared to traditional combustion engine sports cars. The i8 was also an important model for BMW's broader commitment to electrification. The development of the i8, along with the i3, a fully electric city car, signified the company's focus on pushing the boundaries of sustainability and technological advancement in the automotive world. 8. Legacy and conclusion. The BMW i8 may have ceased production in 2020, but its impact on the automotive industry continues to be felt. With its combination of futuristic design, groundbreaking hybrid technology, and impressive performance, the i8 helped to redefine the possibilities of eco-friendly luxury sports cars. It demonstrated that sustainability could be stylish, powerful, and desirable. Despite the fact that the i8 was a limited production model, its influence lives on, with automakers worldwide continuing to explore hybrid and electric technology in high-performance vehicles. BMW itself has continued to develop electric vehicles, including the i4 and 9 series, which carry the i8's legacy forward into a new generation of electric mobility. In summary, the BMW i8 remains an important chapter in the story of sustainable performance cars, and its legacy is one of innovation, design excellence, and an unwavering commitment to pushing the limits of automotive technology. If you would like further elaboration on any specific part, such as detailed technical specifications, its performance in motorsports or consumer reviews, I would be happy to dive deeper.